Light off. Light on. Light off. Light on. Hey Ryan, can you turn the tree off? Gotta use the other one. Oh. Tree on? Tree on. Tree off? Poke. It's over there. Can you go find Daddy? No? You don't wanna? No, not yours. Not yours.
It was new this year.
Nana.
Go find Nana. Where's Nana? Go find her. No? Just gonna wander off aimlessly? Light? Light on. Light off. Light on. Light off. Light on.
Light high.
Light off. I don't think you need to go on a diet, Ryan. It's okay. I don't know what you're saying. Can you close the door, Ryan? Yeah. Good job. Good job. Let's go out here. Hey Ryan. Ryan.
Needs all their supplies. Right. That we gave her.